Baby rolling over in sleep, is it safe? Sleep safety is one of the biggest concerns for new parents. Rolling over is an important milestone, but it also raises questions. Is it dangerous, and do you need to intervene? Today, we are talking about when babies roll over in their sleep and how to keep them safe. When do babies start rolling over? Most babies begin rolling from tummy to back around 4 months. Rolling from back to tummy often comes a little later, closer to 5 or 6 months. Is rolling over a good sign? Yes, rolling is a sign of growing strength and coordination. It means your baby is learning how to control their body. That progress is important for many future skills. Why babies roll in their sleep? Once babies learn how to roll, they do not turn that skill off at bedtime. They move because it feels natural, or because they are getting more comfortable as they sleep. Is it safe to let them stay that way? The safest way to put a baby to sleep is always on their back. This advice stays the same, even after your baby starts rolling. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care related videos. Please continue watching. What if my baby rolls over on their own? If your baby rolls over by themselves, you do not need to flip them back every time. Once they can roll both ways, their body usually has enough strength to adjust their position if needed. Is tummy sleeping ever safe? Tummy sleeping is not recommended when you place your baby down. However, if they roll onto their tummy on their own and their sleep space is safe, it is generally considered acceptable. What about sleep sacks and swaddles? Once your baby shows signs of rolling, swaddling should stop. Swaddled arms can limit their ability to reposition their head. A wearable sleep sack that leaves arms free is a safer option. Tips for creating a safe sleep space. 1. A safe sleep space is simple and uncluttered. 2. Use a firm mattress with a fitted sheet. No pillows, no blankets, no stuffed toys. 3. Dress your baby in light layers and keep the room comfortable. Rolling is a sign your baby is growing stronger. It is a milestone worth celebrating, even if it comes with some nerves. Your job is not to control every movement, but to make the environment safe.